Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karina, living Lean Six Sigma or living L6S, living success. So I have some good news. First of all, thank you everyone, to all my subscribers and to everyone who's watching this content. It is very dry, I get it, but this is for you, it's for me, it's for all the reasons why we need more technicians. And I just thought it would be a good idea to have another way to study for your AandP. So with that said, the good news. The good news is I am almost monetized, but I need your help. I am about, I wrote this down, sorry. Okay, I need 16 subscribers, 1-6. So if you could send this to your classmates, your coworkers, another person who is just studying solo or whatever, please send them this channel so that they can subscribe. And then I'll be monetized. And then there's two more things. I need 140 hours. So you all that are watching this content, just keep watching and keep studying. It's going to help you, but it's also going to help me. And this is a good time because I need the help. We all do, but you know, I don't want to take your money, but if you guys feel like donating, I also put in the description box below, you can Zelle me a cup of coffee for $5. That's how much coffee is around here, but it's just a nice way to say thanks for the material until I get monetized, and I hope this content has helped. And so one more thing, I always leave the best for last. There is a short I need to make, or many shorts I need to make, and I need short ideas. So I used to make UAS content around drones and things I saw out in the field, and I thought it was funny and quite comedic. So I was thinking of creating more material on that, but I want to hear from you. Is there any material that you want me to create shorts-wise that I can put out there? I would love to see your ideas. Some of them were you know, the pranks we did on each other in the military, or the pranks we did on each other out in the flight line, like go getting a bucket of air, or you know, jumping in front of the airplane so we can pick you up on radar, and just the silly things like that that I've heard of. I haven't experienced, but I would love to hear your stories, and then maybe I'll make some shorts out of them, and that would help me get monetized. Again, so 3 things I need. I need 16 more subscribers, 140 more watched hours, and then I need to come up with some shorts, and then it will reach that requirement. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. Again, this stuff is dry. I get it. I get it. But yeah, so thanks again for being on this journey with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.